Hello, I'm Alice from Thesys, the Generative UI company. Over the years, we've evolved from clunky terminals to intuitive graphical interfaces. Then AI happened, and somehow we went back to text-only chatbots. But 83% of the users prefer interactive charts over walls of text, forms over endless questions, visually rich cards over long, flat lists. That's why we built C1, an API layer that augments LLMs to respond with interactive UI instead of just plain text. A C1-powered AI app responds with a chart you can hover, click, and interact with, all in real time, without any latency. Without C1, an AI app bombards you with text responses. But with C1, it can generate a visually rich version that is 10 times more engaging. It works with every popular LLM, framework, or MCP server. And it can be styled to look like it's built into your product. The best part is that you can set up C1 with just 2 lines of code. Teams can now build AI apps 10 times faster and cut 80% of UI maintenance. With C1, your AI app isn't just a boring chatbot anymore. It can be an intelligent co-pilot, a smarter assistant, a versatile canvas, or an interface that is only limited by your imagination. Start building with a free account or schedule a demo to see how Thesys can supercharge your AI apps.